Welcome to Sai Master Academy. Continuation of trigonometry. Already we explained you two parts yesterday. This is third video. Basic formulas, values, how we can find the values, how we can convert the ratios into another ratio. We already discussed. Now the topic is periodic function and what is the meaning of period. How we can find the period of all trigonometric ratios and the problems. Find the period of all these trigonometric ratios, functions. Okay, what is the meaning of periodic function and period? Periodic function, so already functions, already we finished functions chapter. Okay, let E subset or equal to, or E is a set which is subset or equal to, subset, the meaning of subset, or equal to R means what? Real numbers. So they are taking a subset from real numbers. It's maybe equal to also. Okay, something whatever it is, we are taking some real number set. Okay, and the function, how the function defined, this is the function f from E to R. What you are taking, the set from real numbers is domain, and the range is always what? Real numbers. What you can substitute in the function, you should get again real number, that is domain, range. F from E to R is the function, that is the function. It is like what? By substituting the values from E, you should get always only real numbers, that is E to R. Okay, be a function, that is the function. So alanti oka function, then f is called a periodic function. F is called a periodic function if satisfies these two conditions. F is called a periodic function if there exists a positive number p such that, this meaning such that already you know. When we can say this function is periodic function, then there exists a number, positive number p, such that how it will become, such that x plus p should be belongs to E domain. X plus p should be belongs to E means we can substitute this x plus p in the function. After substituting x plus p in the function, you should get something that should also belongs to what? The function. So if x plus p belongs to E and f of x plus p is equal to f of x, then we can say this function is periodic function. Whatever it is, we are taking the function sin x, cos x, sin 2x, sin 3x, sin 1 plus 5x by 6, whatever it is. So when that will be periodic function, if x plus p, we should add something, a number to that angle. This is angle, sin x, cos x, whatever it is. Okay, if you add something, a real number, a number to that angle, and substitute in the function, you should get the same function. You should get the same function. Then we can say that function is periodic function. And what you are adding, the real number or positive number, is called what? Period. That number is called what? Period. Now come to example. See, if f of x is any function, now we are proving this is a periodic function and this has a period. What is that? See, f of x is sin x, then f of p plus x, p plus x, p plus x, f of 2 pi plus x. 2 pi means how much? 360. So f of 360 plus theta means we should substitute this value in place of x, right? F of x means what? 2 pi plus x. We are substituting 2 pi plus x. So sin 360 plus theta, what? Sin theta. So you are getting same f of x. Okay, definitions ardham kavu, examples with ardham. Definitions ardham chesukovali first of all. We are taking a real number from this E only, and when you are adding this E for the angle, if you substitute in ratio, you are getting same function. That only are happening. We are taking f of x is sin x, we are adding p is 2 pi, that is 2 pi x, that is sin of 360 plus theta, again you are getting sin x, which is f of x. So this is f of p plus x is equal to f of x. F of p plus x is equal to f of x. Then we can say this is a periodic function and the period is p. What is p? 2 pi. So sin x is a periodic function and the period is what? 2 pi. In the same way we have Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. It is enough to learn three. These three will give remaining three: sine, cosecant, cos, secant, tan, cot. So here the period of sin x is already below what, that 2 pi. Same for cos, nana, 2 pi. And tan different, pi. This is sin x, cos x, tan x. What about sin ax, like sin 2x, sin 3x, sin 4x, sin 5x, sin kx, sin 2, something whatever it is. If you have some coefficient with x, then the period will be only, sorry, 2 pi by mod a. This is also 2 pi by mod a. This is only pi by mod a. Just I will check once. The period of sin ax is what? Sin x is what? 2 pi by mod a. Cos x is what? 2 pi by mod a. Tan x is what? Pi by mod a. The coefficient of x is what here? 1 by 1. No need to write by 1. Okay, simply you can go this to that also. This is about periodic functions and period. Now examples. What is the period of the following function? What is the period of tan phi x? Period of tan ax is equal to pi by mod a. What is a? 5. Therefore period of tan 5x is equal to pi by mod a, mod 5. This is the answer. 2 marks for formula, for answer. Now what is the period of this one? See here, this is in the form of sin ax plus b. Here we need only the coefficient of x. So what is a here? 5. Simple. So period of sin ax is equal to 2 pi by mod a. Therefore period of sin 5x plus 3 is equal to 2 pi by mod 5, since a is equal to what? 5. What is the period of this? 2 pi by mod 3. So can you take as homework? What is the period of this? First you have to write like what, cos of 4 by 5x plus 9 by 5. Now what is a? This is a. Then what is the period? 2 pi by 4 by 5. 5 will be the numerator. 2 4 will get cancelled. Okay, I will solve this question. So period of cos of 4 by 5x plus 9 by 5 is equal to 2 pi by a, means mod 4 by 5, which is positive. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja cancel, which is 5 pi by 2. Since period of cos ax is equal to 2 pi by mod a. What about that question? Period of this tan. So we know tan something x. So we can take x common first of all. Tan of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus so on plus n square into x. So period of tan ax form. Now this is tan ax is equal to what? Pi by mod a. Therefore this period is equal to what? Pi by mod of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus so on n square. But you don't write like this. We have to simplify. That is pi by, this is what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square. So you know very well what is the sum of the squares of real numbers, natural numbers. This is the first question in your mathematical induction. Who Jason? Enter n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Prove by using mathematical induction. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, so on, n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 అనే క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అదే ఉంటుంది మీకు. So which can be written as what? 6 pi by mod of n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. This is about finding periods and periodic functions. Very very important 2 marks question. Okay na? Now come to find a sine function whose period is 2 by 3. Here is not asking what is the period. Here is asking a function, trigonometric function, given period. Solution is asking which ratio? Okay. Period of sine ax is equal to what? 2 pi by mod A is given what? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is given. Is asking which function? Sine function. From this 2 to, then what is mod A is equal to 3 pi. Is it just say 3 pi? So A also we can take positive. What is A is equal to 3 pi? Then just substitute in place of A this. Therefore, sine function is sine 3 pi. Understand how we are solving? So here what function is asking? Cos. So same formula for cos also. So I think you can solve, right? Homework. Next, trigonometric ratios of compound angles. Compound antene addition subtraction. 3 pi. 3 pi x. Thank you. Okay. So compound angles means we should add 2 or 3 more angles. The algebraic sum of 2 or more angles is called a compound angle. A is angle, B is angle, A plus B is another angle, not two angles. Like compound functions, we already learned. Okay, composite of two functions. Okay, suppose A 30, B 60, A plus B 90. 90 is one angle or more than one angle? 90, one angle. So if you add, subtract, you will get again one angle. That is only the definition. Compound, not angles, compound angle. Okay, the algebraic sum of two or more angles is called a compound angle. If ABC are three angles, then A plus B, A minus B, B plus C, B minus C, A plus B plus C, so on, so on. Examples, etc. Now, what is the result of compound angles of trigonometric ratios? See, if A and B and C are three angles, then what is sine of A plus B result? A minus B result, cos of A minus B, and tan of A plus B, tan of A minus B, cot of A plus B, cot of A minus B, secant, cosecant also we have, and A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, sine, cos, tan. These all are compound angles related. See, I think I gave you sine of A plus B formula in limits or derivations maybe, right? What is sine of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. What is sin of A minus B? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. What is cos of A plus B? Cos A cos B plus sin A, minus sin A sin B. What is cos of A minus B? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. For sin plus minus minus, but both ratios will be multiplied. For cos sin separate, but for plus minus, for minus plus. Same. What about tan? Tan of A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan of A minus B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. For cot it will be different something. Cot B cot A minus 1 like that. Just a minute. Cot of A plus B, right? Correct. Cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A and cot of A minus B. Cot B cot A plus 1, yeah, plus 1 by cot B minus cot A. Already wrote here A plus B plus C for sine, cos, tan for all three. Okay, till here we discussed maximum sums. This is useful for one or two sums in IPA for maximum. We use this also in objective. Okay. Now see, example questions. Find the values of sine 75, cos 75, tan 75, cot 75, 15, 105, 36, 18. All these values also you need to remember, and we solve some values remaining just for practice. If you want, you can solve. You can find the value. See, I am finding first sine 75. Sine 75. We know what? 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, so on, so on, so on. Okay. But here he is asking 75. This is not multiple of any angle of 0, 30, 90 and 45 something. Here, how you can find this sine 75 value? By using compound angles. We can find easily. That's why this is example for compound angles. So 75 we can write like what? Yeah, 30 plus 45 or 45 plus 30. This is in which formula? Sine of A plus B. What is formula? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. What is A? What is B? Now substitute here. Sine A sine 30 cos B cos 45 cos A cos 30 sine B sine 45. You know these values. Sine 30 1 by 2 cos 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 sine 45 1 by root 2 which is equal to 1 by 2 root 2 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. LCM is what? 2 root 2, that is 1 plus root 3. So what is the value of sine 75? 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. When we are solving some short answer, long answer, objective questions, where you will get sine 75, you directly write this 1 plus root 3 by 2 root 2. You don't solve again in the rough paper. That is time waste. For that, what you have to do? Enjale. All values you should remember first of all. Okay. I am giving cos 75, tan 75, cos 75, all homework. Practice and values. I want the value of all ratios of 75. I don't want this process. Okay. What is tan 75? Cot 75. If you find sin 75, cos 75, divide them. You no need to substitute in the formula. Divide sin by cos, you will get. After getting tan, reciprocal cot. And what about secant 75? Cosecant 75? 2 root 2 by 1 plus root 3. Reciprocal. Okay, that is logic. Now come to continuation. If 0 less than a comma b less than 90 means lies in first quadrant, A and B angles. Cos A given, sin B given is asking sin of A plus B, cos of A plus B. What is the formula sin of A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin of A plus B is asking which is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Is there given sin A cos B, cos A sin B? Cos A given, sin B given, sin A cos B not given. But we can find that only first exercise completely. If given one ratio, we can find all remaining ratios by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, you can use the formulas also, trigonometric ratios. So solution, what is cos A given? 5 by 13. Go to right angle triangle, check. Cos what? Opposite, adjacent, adjacent. Adjacent by hypotenuse. This will be what? 12. Should remember these triplets. So now what about sin A? Opposite by hypotenuse. That is what? 12 by 13. Now this side. Given sin B. What is sin B? 4 by 5. Now again take right angle triangle. So this is 4, this is 5. This will be what? 3. Then what about cos B? 3 by 5. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Now substitute here, you will get the solution. Sin A 12 by 13. Cos B 3 by 5. Cos A 5 by 13. Sin B 4 by 5, which is equal to 12 3 ja 36 by 65. 13 5 ja 65 plus 5 4 ja 20 by 65. So LCM 65, 30 40 50, 6 by 65. What happened? If you cancel here 4 by 13, again LCM 65. Here not cancelling, right? So try to solve without cancelling. If you want to cancel, finally you can cancel easily. Okay. So this is the solution for this. Now sine square theta minus sine square alpha, different angles. How you can solve this? By using a square minus b square formula. Sine square A minus sine square B. A plus B, A minus B. For A plus B, 52 and half minus 22 and half 30. A minus B 30. A plus B 50, 60, 75. 75 already we know value. Just now we solve. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Substitute, you will get the answer. Next, prove that tan 70 minus tan 20 is equal to 2 tan 50. Yeah? So this type of questions very important. 70, 20, 50 relation. 70 minus 20, 50. 50 plus 20, 70. We have relation. But here we have what? Minus. That's why it is better A minus B form. So let 50 is equal to 70 minus 20. Can we write? Now apply tan. Tan 50 is equal to tan of 70 minus 20. What is tan of A minus B formula? Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Tan A 70 minus tan B 20 by 1 plus tan A 70 tan B 20, which is equal to tan 50. Okay now. Now what is the answer? Tan 70 minus tan 20 is equal to 2 tan 50. Tan 50, okay, means I think you may get this value will be 2. So it will become 1. How it will become 1? Tan 50 is equal to tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus tan 70, and this can be written as cot 70. How, sir? Tan 20 is equal to tan 70 minus, 20 is equal to 70. No, 90 minus 70. Tan 90 minus 70, cot 70. So tan 20 is equal to cot 70. We can write. Now what about tan theta into cot theta? 1. So tan 50 is equal to tan 70 minus tan 20 by 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2. If you take this side, that will become 2 tan 50 is equal to tan 70 minus tan 20. Okay. Hence proved. Continuation, see. Very important question. A plus B is equal to 45. Then prove that this one and this one. I will give this one homework. Very easy to solve. What is given? A plus B is equal to 45 or pi by 4. For this one, apply tan on both sides. For this one, apply cot on both sides. You will get the solution. So, tan of A plus B is equal to tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. Or write one tan 45, your wish. What is tan of A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to 1. Now cross multiplication. Tan A plus tan B is equal to 1 minus tan A tan B. Take this negative this side. Tan A plus tan B plus tan A tan B is equal to how much? 1. Now take LHS. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 1 1 ja 1, 1 into tan B, tan A into 1, tan A into tan B, tan A, tan B. But what is the value of this part? 1. So which is equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Same you will get this also cot apply and one of the same expansion, substitute 1, you will get 2. Okay na? Next come to this side. Sin alpha this, sin beta is this, alpha beta are acute angles, means first quadrant. Then show that alpha plus beta is equal to 45. Alpha plus beta, you can take sin or cos, whatever it is. Suppose if you take sin of alpha plus beta formula, sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta, means you need to find here what is cos alpha, what is cos beta. Substitute, you will get 45. Understand? If you take sin, you will get 1 by root 2. Why? Because sin 45 1 by root 2. If you take cos, you will get 1 by root 2. Why? Because cos 45 also 1 by root 2. This is moreover example question. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. Next, prove that this is equal to cot 36. I already gave you in derivations. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is always equal to tan 45 plus theta. If minus plus minus theta, that only can be written as cos A plus cos B by sin A. Sorry, cos A minus sin B. Cos A minus sin B. Yeah, I gave you in your, I think I gave formulas paper also. Na? There also you have this formula. Cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A. Okay. Ratios different, angle same, plus minus. If you have minus plus, we have one formula. If you have plus minus, we have one more formula, but I am not writing directly. I will write, see, this will become, you know what it will become? Cos kada. So, tan 45 plus 9 it will become. We can write directly. Suppose if you have minus plus, minus plus, minus, plus minus, plus. Numerator sign only will be considered. How, sir? Okay. LHS. Cos 9 plus sin 9 by cos 9 by cos 9 minus sin 9 by cos 9, which is equal to cos 9 by cos 9 1, sin 9 by cos 9 tan 9 by cos 9 by cos 9 1 minus sin 9 by cos 9 tan 9. 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta is tan 45 plus theta, or which is equal to 1 plus, I am writing 1 as tan 45 plus tan 9 is already there by 1 plus tan 9. I am writing tan 45 into tan 9. Can I write tan 45 1 only? Now this is in the form of tan A plus tan B by 1 plus 1 minus tan A tan B. 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, formula what? Tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B. What is A? 45. What is B? That only this. Okay, you can write from here to here directly, here to here directly, here to here directly, here to here. Your wish. Okay, which is equal to tan 45 plus 9. How much? Tan 54. Can be written as cot 36. Malayala sir. Which is equal to tan 90 minus 36. Tan 90 minus theta? Cot theta. This is also answer, but is asking to prove. That's why you should completely solve till proof. So this is about some more questions for today, this class, and I will give more questions in next class. Please write all the formulas, very important, compound angles and periodic functions, then problems. So I will give you some problems as homework. Open your textbook, page number, exercise 6C, exercise 6C, first Roman, 6C, first Roman, till fourth bit, till fourth bit. How many questions you can solve? Your possibility. Solve, all are for practice only. Remember, all are for practice. Till which bit? Fourth bit. Fifth bit also you can solve. Fifth bit. This question model. Fifth bit. Now using this model. Okay. Till fifth bit. So I will start continuation in next video. Thank you. Share to maximum.